Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. In this tutorial, we'll explore some of the most popular testing frameworks in Java, JUnit and testng. We'll cover their features, provide examples, and highlight how to use them effectively in your Java projects. What is a testing framework? A testing framework is a set of tools and libraries that helps developers create and run tests for their applications. It provides a structured way to write, execute, and organize tests, making it easier to ensure that your code is working as expected. JUnit. JUnit is one of the most widely used testing frameworks in Java. It provides annotations to identify test methods, assertions to verify expected outcomes, and a test runner to execute tests. Features of JUnit. Simple and easy to use. Supports test fixtures, setup and teardown. Annotations for test configuration. Assertions for validating test results. Integration with build tools like Maven and Gradle. Example of JUnit. 1. Set up your project. To use JUnit, add the following dependency to your pom.xml if you're using Maven. 2. Create a class to test. 3. Create test class. 4. Running tests. You can run your tests using an IDE like IntelliJ IDEA or Eclipse, or you can use Maven. testng. Testng is another popular testing framework inspired by JUnit but includes more powerful features for test configuration and management. Features of testng. Support for parallel testing. Flexible test configuration, annotations. Data-driven testing. Built-in support for assertions and reporting. Example of testng. 1. Set up your project, add the following dependency to your pom.xml to use testng. 2. Create a class to test, same as above. 3. Create test class. 4. Running tests. You can run the test similarly to JUnit, either through your IDE or using Maven. Conclusion. Both JUnit and testng are powerful testing frameworks for Java development. JUnit is simple and widely adopted, making it a great choice for most projects. Testng provides more advanced features for larger projects, especially those requiring parallel testing or complex configurations. Best practices for testing in Java. 1. Write tests early. Write tests as you develop your code to catch issues early. 2. Use meaningful names. Name your test methods clearly to describe what they test. 3. Keep tests independent. Ensure that tests do not depend on each other to avoid cascading failures. 4. Use assertions wisely. Use assertions to validate the expected outcomes of your tests. 5. Refactor tests. Just like production code, keep your test code clean and refactor it when necessary. With this guide, you should have a solid understanding of how to get started with JUnit and testng in your Java projects. Happy testing!